Hey guys, I'm Dhanashree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of hair transformation wherein I'll be cutting my hair like the bangs and I'll be coloring my hair. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First I'm going to cut my hair, for which I'm going to do a middle parting. I don't think this is the exact parting, and right now my mirror is here, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. Yeah, just combing it up and I guess this is, yeah, so I've got the middle parting. I'm sorry, I'm really having a very bad hair day, so yeah, just bear with me. I'm going to get rid of this.
Okay, so I'm taking a chunk of my hair from the middle section and making sure that both sides of the triangle are as equal as possible.
I'm cutting it after a really long time, so I'm scared a little bit, but we're gonna do it. And I'm using this Garga Catchy, like the kitchen one.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I just hope this is not a disaster and I don't, cut it like really, what do we
Okay,
say?
after cutting the flicks up to the chin, I'm going to divide the hair into two sections from the middle parting and then again form a triangle, which is obviously smaller because that's how I've planned it to do. You can cut the whole chunk, totally depends on what you're aiming for. I don't want it to be chunkier, so
Yeah, I think this is better now. I mean, it's not a lot of chunk. Okay, I'm not gonna think much. I'm just gonna chop it off. So, yeah, are you guys ready? Am I ready? Let's do this.
I'm not again directly going very short, I'm just cutting it till my nose. Super scared. I'm very scared. But we're gonna do this. So I'm getting this much again. Oh my god.
I think I'm not gonna cut more because I'm super scared right now. Like, let's take. I need to set my hair, but yeah, I'm not sure how this is gonna look. I may trim it a little bit, but right now this is it. I hope I haven't messed it up. So after cutting the hair, I am using this Garnier's burgundy color. My hair is already blonde, like blondish. Okay, I had used a blonde powder to blonde my hair and I'm really bored of it, so I got this from Nykaa. I think it is like this sort of color, but I don't know how it's going to turn out on my blonde hair. So yeah, let's see.
just mixing the developer with the color in a plastic tin. This is what came inside the packet.
Just going to take the chunk and apply it. I have never really had a pinkish or a blonde, reddish color on my hair. Never ever. So this is going to be first time. Super scared. Okay, enough of the brush drama. I'm just going to take the color and इसको डायरेक्टली लगा रही हूँ. Okay, because वो बहुत टाइम दे रहा है.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna keep this thing for 15 minutes and then go have a shower, and I'll be back and I'll show you how the color looks. So yeah, I'll be just back. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I'm back. I've washed my hair and this is how the hair looks right now. थोड़े गीले हैं but I'm sure आपको दिख रहा होगा थोड़ा सा it has turned towards the brownier side. Also, I'm not very confident about the fringes right now, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah.
This is how my hair finally looks, and I'm super happy how it has turned out.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. बिना subscribe किए please मत जाना. Just subscribe and keep showering all love that you have been showering so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.